So I bought these. Let's see if it'll focus. Yeah, so I bought these. Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video blog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on a few acoustic phones. One set are those egg crate shaped acoustic phones, and another some rectangular shaped sound panels. I purchased this acoustic phones because I want to absorb the sounds, okay? As you could tell, there's a little echo in this room. So that means that my voice are bouncing off this wall, off the ceiling, and also the floors. So what I want to do is just absorb the sound, okay? So yeah, so I went ahead and, buy a few acoustic phones. I didn't, went crazy. So just, what I'm gonna do is put a few on these walls left and right, also a little bit on the ceiling, and let's see if that improves the sound quality of the video. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link of the type of phones that I purchased, okay, from Amazon on the description of this video. On to the unboxing. So this is purple and black, all right? I just purchased a dozen because I don't think I need a lot, okay? So, and I don't want to soundproof the whole room. Basically, I just want some foams enough to absorb the vibration. So as you can hear, my voice sounds a little deep, so I went and copped some of these, So let's start off with this egg crate shaped acoustic foams, okay? I'm just happy that it's not crunched up and I don't have to wait a day or two for it to restore its normal shape. All right, so on to the unboxing. So my mistake, I only ordered 6 foams, okay? So this is what it looks like. This is 2 inches, okay, thickness. All right. So I bought purple and black. I figured I ordered purple and black so it will have a little bit of contrast to it. So 3 purple and 3 2 inches acoustic foam. Okay. So once again, I made a mistake. I thought that I ordered a dozen. I guess I only ordered 6, but nevertheless, I think it will be enough because I'm just gonna put 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side. And then I'll use the sound panel that I purchased on the ceiling. These are actually rectangular shape. So the size of this is from BXI Sound Absorber. So it's basically 16-inch, okay, by 12-inch, all right? And also this is 6. So I'm gonna use a few of these in my living room. It has a smell to it, like brand new smell to it. So the thickness is 3/8. All right. So this is what it looks like. Sound panel. When you're watching TV or listening to music or vlogging, it's very important that you absorb some of the sound that's coming in and also that's coming out, to make your voice sound crisp, and it will help, to absorb the outside noise, So, because I have an external microphone, and sometimes when I edit the video, you can hear some of the sounds coming from outside. Okay, so this is very important. So with this, I'll install it. I install about 2 of these because that's all I need really. And I think that it's enough to make a difference. Then I use the other 4 in my living room, and let's see if that helps. So if it doesn't help, then I'm going to buy the bass strap. It's like one of these cubes, or sometimes it's shaped in other form, but you put it in a corner of a room, and they say, or the experts say that it makes a difference. So, but we'll see. But this is just the minimal. This is just the minimal thing that I'm doing. So it's so far, this sound panel is a good material. Um, you know, it looks like an insulation. It looks like insulation, but I could be wrong. But anyway, yeah. So that's that. I'm gonna install it and see, if it makes a difference. And also, I bought a few of these tacks. Because since I'm only renting, out of respect, of course, you want to have you want to have a good image as a tenant. You don't want to damage your landlord's wall. So I think buying some tacks will minimize, any wall damage, So let me open this up. So I bought these. Let me see if it'll focus. Yeah, so I bought these. Before I proceed, just want to let y'all know that I am not sponsored by these company. All right, I bought these items with my own money. All right. So yeah, I'm not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. All right. So what I'm gonna do is maybe just put it like so on the wall. Let me see. Let me install it first. All right, guys and girls. So as you can see, I put 2 on this wall. I feel like I'm already noticing a slight difference with the sound. It doesn't sound as much echo in this room. So what I've done is I just use one tack, excuse me, one tack and one tack. Okay. So when I'm getting ready to move out, I won't do as much damage as this wall here. So, and if it does, there'll be like a little hole here. So here, also on the other side. Okay. One tag here. You could hardly see it, and another tag here. All right. And also up here, I put the sound panel. Okay. Just one. So I'm a little skeptical about those tags. That's why I put 4. Like I said, I'm not going to use any tape or glue. It was easy, pretty much. I just used um, a hammer just to push it down. I didn't even hit it with a hammer. I just pushed it up. I mean, and hopefully um, it will hold. So that's how it looks on the ceiling. And also 2 on this wall. Okay. And 1 here. 1 on this wall. So that was the unboxing and product review of the egg-shaped sound acoustic phones, and also the sound absorption sound panels. Let me know what you think. Did it make any difference? Can you tell any difference as far as the sounds concerned? Did I minimize the reverb? Did I minimize the echo in the room, or should I say the studio? Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. So once again, this is ML for KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world, peace. Streetwear brand DOSOS at www.dosos.clothing.